Eurostars Roma Aeterna. 4 stars. Featuring a free gym, Eurostars Roma Aeterna is set in a former pharmaceutical factory located in the pedestrian-only area of Rome's Pigneto, popular for its cafés and bars. A bus stop nearby links to Termini Train Station, while Pigneto Metro Station is a 5-minute walk away. Charming staff, helpful especially at the breakfast, which is a complete deal. Room was extremely clean as the bathroom. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Cleanliness and service. The longer you stay, the more you like it. Breakfast buffet was amazing, so variety choices. The room was clean and very good quality / service for this price. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.